Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Yandere Simulator. And I honestly love this game. I never played it on my YouTube channel, but I play all the time. So, yeah. Here is all the students. That's senpai right there. And there's this girl. And of course, the mean bullies. And if you haven't seen this new update, then you have to get Yandere Simulator and check it out. These are all the bullies, Musume and her little gang of people. So yeah, and there's also a new girl right here and council students, stuff like that. So we're just gonna talk to Kokona, cause we're just gonna be a part of. I'm like a part of your group. Yeah, no. Kokona just stole my spot. Not you. I don't want you. I want Kokona. Yeah, whatever. Okay. We're not gonna really do it for her, of course. I mean, why would we? Let's just speed up the time. I don't have the knife anymore, you dumb butts. Now we're gonna go kill someone. Ow! I wasn't even in your personal space. Okay. Does this tell me that I can go home? No. Okay. That's a nurse. Where can I kill someone? I mean, we can go in a mode. Like cyber mode, or let's go cyber mode. It's awesome. Hey, girly. Okay, let's go get our sword. The good thing about cyber mode is that literally no one cares. See, all they say is, you're still walking around like that? Like, oh gee. Even senpai looks. Can we still kill senpai? No. No. We can't. Okay. I want to try to kill all of these people because I don't like them. These are all like the popular people, that group over there. Oh my god, it's a floating head. Okay. I think we can kill council students too. Yeah, we can. Is she smiling? No, she's not smiling. I thought she was. Let's kill all of you people. They're like students practically. Look at their uniforms. It changed it into student uniforms. They really need to figure out something Yandere Simulator, because that's been here for a long time. I bet Yandere Dev still hasn't noticed. One more. No more. Whoa. And yes, we can kill the nurse. And if you have questions about this game or like stuff that I can do and try out for you, like little glitches, you can comment that down below. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, I want to go home. Okay. Okay, let's make it number 2 day. Day 2. Sorry about that. If you hear like, that's my dog. He's coughing right now. Okay. Okay. So, as I said before, if you have any, like, glitches that you can say, please comment them down below, because I love to hear glitches. And honestly, glitches are the funnest things and funniest things ever. So, yeah. This girl, if she had, like, if you could see what her face is, which you cannot, it would be awesome if you would, but you can't. I don't know why. Get a panty shop. Is that one? No. That's a good photo. Save. Okay. You're still doing this? Ah. I wonder what that is up there. But, whatever. Bye. I have someone to gossip about now. There she is. Okay, guys, I think that is it for today. I hope you like this video. Comment down below for more videos like this, like and subscribe, and also comment for glitches. Bye!